An internship program, which was, I got credits, I got class credits for it, which helped me get into Allied and start my career. And then I also did all the career cons and did all the NSCC days and helped the professors as much as I could. And whatever, I learned as much as I could, even if it was oddball stuff. I was the first intern at Allied Molded in Bryan. I started there my senior year, my last year of college. So I worked there part-time, worked in the engineering office part-time. I tutored when I could. And I went part-time at Allied after about a year. And then I went full-time as soon as I graduated in 2015. And I worked there for 5 years, and now I work at Sauder's in Archbold. I would recommend that anything that the school offers, do it. Even if it's just for career day for the little kids, you'll learn something. Whatever you can learn it.